place to dig, plant, and rest. Shelley's Homestead Hideaway.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Shelley's Homestead Hideaway. Today I am super excited to be bringing you this prelude video to a brand new podcast that has been happening over on Farmer Chass's YouTube channel, Kinda Country Gardening Podcast. And I am honored to have been able to be a part of the conversation. So I want you guys to join us on Monday, March the 16th, where the full video is going to drop. We're going to be sharing about worm composting, family bonding, and finding real joy in backyard gardening in particular. So if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to Farmer Chass's channel and turn your notifications on so that you can be one of the first to know when this video drops. In addition, I'm excited to drop this video on today in particular because it is my birthday. Yes, it's finally my birthday again and again and again and again. We won't even count the years. Okay. Anywho, if you are wanting to celebrate my birthday with me, I am dropping a link to my Amazon wish list, my birthday wish list in the description. Feel free to peruse it. And if you want to get me something, go ahead and order something through the Amazon link and it will get to me. All right, enough. Let's get right to it. Right after this, you'll be able to watch the prelude to the Kinda Country Gardening Podcast. A simple garden can bring great joy in a way that you don't necessarily expect. And in that, so I'll share the story about my worm composting adventures, which I don't currently have set up. But it brought me so much joy because I was already doing the gardening things. And what I wanted was to also have a way to fertilize my garden naturally. And so when I started doing the worm composting and, putting the scraps of veggies and things in there for the worms to eat, and then that's how we get the worm castings, that was a very good aha moment for me. And it brought even more joy because you see the full circle of life that has been created in the garden. And so even my granddaughter, now, unlike me, my granddaughter doesn't know that I don't think that I'm on YouTube and tell all her friends to subscribe to me, but she does help. And she'll say to her mom, while they're in the kitchen, "Oh, we got to save these for Duchess." Yes, I'm Duchess.
Okay. Oh, I was about to ask, well, who is Duchess?
I am Duchess. She is a princess and I am her Duchess. And so she'll say, "We should save this for Duchess to compost in the worm composter." And so that was very, very fulfilling because it's like, even if your family is not wanting to get out in the dirt and help you in that way, they can help you by knowing she can use this out in the garden. So that was a very, very joy-filled moment for me because everybody gets to participate in that.
So you believe that if a person is having issue, the moment that they grow something from beginning to end will bring them joy.
I definitely
to summarize.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Okay. So has your journey to creating a garden and creating Shelley's Homestead Hideaway, has it changed you at all? Are you the same person before Shelley's Homestead Hideaway?
I'm going to say probably not because of the fact that, as I said, I'm always super busy. I find that I want to be home even more now because I want to be in the garden.
There
And
you
so
go.
in that regard, it has definitely changed me because it just makes me want to slow down.
Oh,
Very simple. Makes me
makes you
want
want
to
to slow down.
Yeah.
I did not expect you to say that because you're on the go all the time. On the go all the time. I really am.